Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, I'm going to be filming a mukbang, however you say it. I've never done one of these on my channel before, and I don't really know why that is. I always see requests for it, but I'm just like not that big of an eater, and I probably couldn't order like everything on the menu if that's even what like a mukbang is. We're not going to be ordering everything on the menu. We're just going to be getting like the bundle box from McDonald's, and then we also have like a couple coupons for like cookies and stuff. So we're gonna be getting that, and I'm also doing it with my boyfriend Darian. So we're gonna go through the drive-thru now. It's actually quite busy because it's right before Christmas. It's literally December 21st, so everybody's kind of out shopping and the place is really bopping. Even at McDonald's it's like packed because people are like probably taking breaks to eat. So we're probably gonna take the food like in a different parking lot, like maybe like the movie theater or something. Christmas has probably already passed, so if it has, Merry Christmas, and I hope you guys had a wonderful Christmas and got everything you asked for. Hi, can I have the bundle box?
Any sauce?
Sweet and sour and hot mustard.
A lot. Okay.
A lot of those.
No problem.
And also 3 cookies. Do you want the McFlurry?
Yeah.
And also an Oreo McFlurry.
Alright. And a large tropic berry for a drink.
And a large tropic berry drink.
Anything else?
That'll be it.
Alright, so it's gonna be 2003 first window.
Thank you.
What?
I was supposed to give them the 3 free cookies coupon. Mom, when you're watching this, I'm sorry I didn't use the coupon. I'm literally a mess today. Like, look at me.
You are beautiful.
Alright, but I have to fix this. Like, what?
Where's my food?
Guys, I always have to tell him to be quiet because he like says stuff. And like,
I'm hungry.
You never like be mean to somebody who's like making your food and serving your food.
I'm hungry.
Okay. Hi. Thank you.
Ooh.
The cookies are in the box.
Okay, could I also get hot mustard and sweet sauce, please? Sweet and sour.
Sweet sauce.
We're gonna have to figure out a new setup for this because like it's kind of like too close up, but there's no other way to.
There's a lot. Oh my god.
The line is literally all the way backed up to where you come out of the drive-thru. We literally got here at the right time. So we're gonna park at the movie
Go to like
theater.
Burger King or something.
No, Burger King's gonna be busy too. Because people are out shopping and they're gonna want a break to eat. So nobody's really gonna be at the movie
I go let him.
Yeah. Are you already starting? He's already starting.
Go. You gotta push, go.
No, I can't just freaking cut him off. I literally, my biggest pet peeve, I'm not gonna say people who can't drive because like, whatever, I'm not saying I'm the best driver, but like I cannot stand people who pull out in front of you and not even like they're cutting you off, just like pull in front of you and go so slow. Like if you're gonna pull out and go the speed limit. I don't know if you guys have ever tried the McDonald's tropic berry drink. It's like Sprite mixed with something, and it is so good. It literally replaced Dr. Pepper for me, and Dr. Pepper is like one of my favorite drinks. So I've been getting this. I think it's a limited time, but it is so good. If it's not at, I don't know if it's at every McDonald's, but if it is, definitely try it.
So we have here is we have 2 Big Macs, 2 cheeseburgers, 2 medium fries, 10-piece chicken nugget, and 3 cookies, chocolate chip.
Did you imagine? Oh, they did have the sauces in here. You guys, I'm probably not gonna eat too much just because a little amount of food fills me up no matter how much I starve myself. I literally haven't eaten all day, and it's like almost 3 o'clock.
Guys, try this. So you know how a Big Mac, right, is like $5-6 for a meal? Get a McDouble with lettuce and add mac sauce. It's the same thing, and it's like $2.
It's like 60 cents extra for the sauce. It's so good. The McDouble with mac sauce is perfect for me because I don't like everything that's on a Big Mac. I don't like the lettuce, the tomatoes, anything like that. The pickles, onions. But the McDouble is literally just a cheeseburger with the mac sauce, so it tastes like a Big Mac without all the like stuff. I don't understand mukbangs because are you supposed to like talk with food in your mouth? Like, I don't know. Yeah? Okay, well, I asked you guys on my Instagram to send me questions to answer. First question asks, when do you plan on going out with Darian? We're already dating. Our date is 12/11/19. So yeah, it's been a little over a week. By the time you guys are watching this, it's probably been like a couple weeks, but yeah, I know everybody said, like, when I mentioned it on a live a couple days ago, people were like, I thought you were gonna wait till the new year, and we were, but I mean, things were going really good, and I just wanted to wait till a good time, and I felt like it was a good time.
What's the one thing you really want for Christmas?
Lashes. For sure. I don't want to eat a cheeseburger.
I want slippers.
Slippers?
One Big Mac down, one more to go.
Yeah, I don't want to finish my cheeseburger because I don't really like it. I usually get the hamburgers from them because I don't know. I'm gonna have the chicken nuggets instead.
Okay.
You guys, comment down below what your favorite sausage. You literally already had a Big Mac and you're about to eat another one. And you're eating the only other thing I like from this bundle box. Do you see yourself having social media as a full-time job? For now, yeah. When I'm older, probably not. Just because it doesn't have like benefits and stuff like that. Thinking of the future, it's not that I'm gonna quit YouTube because it's still like a hobby that I like to do. Like, I love filming, I love editing, and being that like I have a little bit of an audience, like, really motivates me. And it's not just something that I want to throw away. So I'm definitely gonna continue doing it, but probably post a little less because in the future I'll have a job and stuff like that. So,
what's your dream car?
Oh, Super WRX.
Mine is a black Dodge
Challenger.
Yeah.
What's your? We're just like sitting in the back of the movie theater eating, and like somebody just drove by us, and like we're just sitting in front of the camera like casually.
2 Big Macs down.
See, you could talk with food in your mouth. I literally can't. Like, I want to try and answer questions that like apply to both of us, not just like stuff about my YouTube, because then it would be like kind of like a solo Q&A. Who do you like to watch on YouTube? Sylvia Ganny.
I like to watch Patty Mayo.
What? I never heard of him.
He's a bounty hunter.
What is something you do that you hate? Like, personally about yourself, I guess.
Something I do that I hate?
Like, either a habit or something you want to change. Mine is definitely nail biting, you guys. I have such a terrible habit. I don't know why. Like, it's not because I'm nervous. Like, I literally just do it, like, without even thinking.
Honestly, my eating habit.
Your what?
Like eating.
Really? I'm just sitting here making a mukbang.
I wish I could eat like a small thing and get full.
Oh, that's me. I'm literally full right now, and I had like 3 chicken nuggets and a couple bites of a cheeseburger.
You want more fries?
And I didn't eat all day.
French fries are so down here.
I try and keep my car so clean. And he comes in here and leaves his trash, soda in the cup holders, these freaking wrappers, throws them in the back seat. Like, every time I go and pump gas, I literally clean out my car. I like literally, look, this is trash from you.
What?
Look.
That's not me.
Yes, it was. I'm only putting it back because I'm going to get gas soon. So. See, this is what I'm talking about. If you could live one day again, what day would it be and why? By the way, lots of these questions end with like, I love you, and I just want you all to know, if I'm not addressing it each individually, I love you all. Probably mine was the first time we met up after like we weren't allowed to see each other. Like recently. Like that day was so perfect. And like even though we got caught, like besides that, like everything everything before that, we should literally make a story time on that day one time.
Alright.
We might make a story time on the day that we met up because it was eventful. Like we could literally talk about it and how we got caught and everything that happened. I know lots of people are interested in like our relationship, so.
We were caught hanging out, okay? So don't.
Oh, I didn't even address that. I was just assuming people knew, but like, yeah. I probably should have.
We were hanging out in the car.
Because we weren't allowed to.
Sounds so worse. We were hanging out eating, and her dad came up.
And no, let's not give spoilers. Yeah, that was the basic thing. Like, I swallow so weird. Like, I don't know. Like, I literally put my neck out like that every time I swallow, if anybody notices. I don't know why I do it. It's not because my throat's dry. Like, you always say, take a drink.
Yeah, you're like...
It's not good. I don't know.
Usually, I don't eat all this, but...
Yeah.
I didn't eat all that, so...
Do you want to go to college? If so, where? I take, like, one of my classes at a college that I'm probably going to go to. So to answer your question, yes, I am going to go to college.
I probably honestly won't go to college, but I really want to get in like trucking, because you make a lot of money, truck drivers.
Relationship advice. How do you know when it's becoming toxic? Every relationship has disagreements, but like if you guys are fighting like every day over like nonsense, not even that it's not meant to be, because we would, not every day, but like we'd bicker about like lots of little stuff that didn't even matter in the end. So just like take a break from the person. And my biggest quote for a relationship to give anybody is set them free, and if they come back, it's meant to be, because that is literally my story. I have a whole video up on what happened with our relationship and why we broke it off. Now that we did, we know what mistakes to correct, and we're healthier than we've ever been in a relationship and happier than we've ever been. So it was definitely for the better. This is totally random and off topic of the questions. Do you guys have any good game recommendations? I need games on my phone. Like, I literally have freaking piano tiles. I cannot find a game that I can keep on my phone and stick to. Like, I love puzzles and like building games and stuff like that, like creating your own park and city and stuff like that. But like, I don't know why I just can't find, like, with the building games, like people always throw up in my park and I end up deleting it because I can't have enough custodians. Like with building games, I get frustrated when I can't get past a level, so I delete it. Like any interesting game that'll last me a long time, you know what I'm saying? Everybody's talking about how the decade's ending and stuff like that, and like bringing back childhood memories, and my biggest childhood memory is freaking Zuzu pets.
What, man? What are those? They're freaking robots.
No, Zuzu pets are the cutest thing. They're like these little, like, oh my god.
They're so expensive too.
I literally tried to buy one the other day, you guys. I'm not even joking. Let us know if you want to see more mukbangs from me, whether it's with him or with Maddie. I probably wouldn't do one by myself just because it would be like a really short video, like 3 minutes. But if so, comment down below what places you would want to see us eat from. Give this video a thumbs up if you liked it, and also don't forget to subscribe to my channel and turn on all of my post notifications so you get a notification in Dropbox every time I upload a video. That ended on perfect timing because my camera is now blinking red and on low battery. So, yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. I love you all so much, and bye guys.